One of the things I like to do on a regular basis is help add value and resources to all of our clients at Sharp Auto Body. So in this email blast, I'd like to share my network with you. Over the years, in the last 40 plus years, I've built a very strong network. And in this email is going to be a list of all the people that you could use. I want to help you with all the other issues, challenges, problems you may have. So again, like I said, over the years, I've built an incredible network, and I know everybody from excavators, painters, roofers, HVAC people, to insurance agents, doctors, lawyers, anybody that you could possibly need in some area of your life. I've got people that I've worked with that not only are highly skilled and professional, but take great care of their clients. So if there's something we can help you with or somebody we can connect you to, please don't hesitate to reach out, because we're here to help you and make your life easier. So again, you can review the list and give us a call back. This list is probably not complete. I'll probably forget a couple of names as I list it for the in the order that I'm going to put it in, but feel free to take advantage of giving us a call, because we can help you in many areas of your life other than just collision repair and how to handle insurance claims. Hope you're having a great day and enjoy.